Hey, what's going on? Scott Taylor with sandiegorealestatehunter.com. In this video, why don't we break down the USDA mortgage loan, some of the most common questions that I've been getting, and I'm going to answer those for you right now. Let's not forget, the USDA mortgage loan is perfect for San Diego if you want to live on the outskirts or think countryside, places like Fallbrook and Julian and Campo and Pauma Valley and Ramona, etc., etc. This is perfect for anybody that doesn't have a down payment, that wants to take advantage of the extremely low interest rates right now. Think of the low to mid to high twos, and want lower mortgage insurance every single month other than going with an FHA or conventional. Of course, if you're finding value from this video, I really like a thumbs up if you're watching it in YouTube. Subscribe to get more videos just like this, and tap the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Without further ado, let's jump into some of the most common questions about the USDA mortgage loan. So question number one, hey Scott, I love your videos. Sometimes I just don't have the time to watch. Can you break down the USDA loan as simple as you can? Absolutely. And don't forget, look below this video. There's going to be notes and there's going to be links to other things that I'm talking about. So absolutely, yes. So let's keep in mind, number one, it's address specific. Look below the video, click a link, it'll take you to the USDA website or Google USDA map locator, and it's address specific. So the address has to work. The other thing is maximum income. Look below this video, there's a link, you can click on it or Google USDA income limits. And there's a max income. I believe in San Diego for a 2, 3, or 4 person household, and you can check yourself again, it's up to about $136,000 per household or less. So it's quite a bit of money. Third thing, credit scores. You know, I use up to something around 40 different wholesale lenders. Sounds like a lot, I know. Probably 5, 7, maybe 10 specialized like in USDA loans. So we're looking for something around a 620 minimum FICO score. Don't forget, if it's just you, we use your middle FICO score. If it's you and a co-borrower, it's the lowest middle score. Once again, I've talked about this quite a bit. Don't worry about Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, what your credit cards say, what your bank might say as far as your credit score. When I run your credit, that's the score we use. I can't even say if it's too high or too low. Just don't stress about it. And the final thing is debt to income ratio. Don't forget, standard for USDA loan, 29%, 41. So your total housing payment can't be anything more than 29% on your front end and 41% total debts on your back end. Let's just say that you make $10,000 a month. That says that $2,900 per month maximum can be your housing payment. But I've seen as high as 34% front end, 46% back end, if your credit score is better. So to simplify, let's say you make $10,000 a month, $3,400 per month can be the maximum total housing payment, and 46% or $4,600 can be your total debts. Cool. Those are the main points on that. Question number two, I get USDA loans have lower interest rates, lower MI, and therefore will have a lower mortgage payment, let's say, than an FHA or conventional. How much will it be for X? Most common question I get is, hey Scott, I'm looking at this property, about how much do you think it will be? So look, I haven't run your credit. I don't know your credit score. I don't know your debts. You haven't supplied any documents as far as income. So let's just kind of use like a general rule of thumb. Generally speaking, I say it costs about $550 per 100,000 finance. That's a total housing payment. Principal, interest, taxes, homeowners insurance, mortgage insurance. So a total housing payment. If there's an HOA per month, you add that on top per month. So here's the easy numbers. 300,000, you're looking at about $1,650 a month. 400,000, you're looking at about $2,200 a month. 500,000, about $2,750. 600,000, about $3,300. 700,000, about $3,850. 800,000, about $4,400 a month. 900,000, about $4,950 a month, and up to $1 million, about $5,500 a month. Don't forget, those numbers are down below. And don't forget as well, with a USDA loan, there's no max loan amount. If you qualify for it, unlike, FHA might go up to a $701,000, conventional, super conventional, up to $701,000. With a USDA loan, there's no max loan amount possible, which is fantastic. So when you're looking, just think, Scott says it's about $550 per 100,000 financed, and that will be close. Question number 3, what types of properties can I get a USDA loan for? So I personally deal with homes, townhomes, condos. You have to live in it as your primary resident. So keep it simple. You're going to live in a house. You're going to live in a townhome or you're going to live in a condo. I do not deal with second home, vacation home, land for the USDA loan. Doesn't exist. I personally do not deal with land loans, mobile home, manufactured home, or working farms. I don't deal with that. I don't believe the USDA does. I just focus on what I know and what I do well. So let's keep it simple. You're going to live in it. It's going to be a home, townhome, or condo. That's it. Question number 4. I am confused. This sounds too good to be true. What am I missing? Why doesn't everyone get one? So I can assure you, easier said, I can assure you this is a government loan, so there's no catches, right? As long as, number one, the property meets the location. So obviously that keeps away a lot of areas, like North County Coastal, obviously Oceans, or parts of Oceanside, Carlsbad, on down the coast, that's not going to work. San Diego Coastal, further down, right? Coronado, it's not going to work. La Jolla, it's not going to work, right? San Diego Central, obviously Talmadge, Normal Heights, City Heights, North Park, that's not going to work, right? South Bay, right? Chula Vista, Otay Mesa, that's not going to work. But most of North County Inland is going to work, and some of East County is going to work, right? So besides the fact of it has to be address specific, your max income could be about $136,000 per year or less. Your credit score has to be about a 620 or higher, and your debt to income ratios have to work, right? 29-41, if your credit score is better, about, 34-46? Don't have it in front of me. I think it's 34-46. Those work. So if you meet those, you get to buy zero down, you get extremely low interest rates, you get extremely low mortgage insurance every month, and you don't have a max loan amount. It's a fantastic loan. Question number 5, and the last question that I'm going to go over. I've had a foreclosure or bankruptcy or short sale. Can I still take advantage of a USDA loan? Yes, absolutely. So as far as the Chapter 7, it's 3 years from your discharge date, okay? And of course, with Chapter 7, don't forget, we're gonna need all your Chapter 7 paperwork as well as your discharge, okay? So hopefully you have that paperwork. If not, you can get it from your lawyer. If you don't have a lawyer, you get it online from the courts. It costs something like 10 cents a page. So they're about 60 pages, you're around about $6. If you've had a foreclosure or short sale, it's 3 years as well, and we're going to need the paperwork for those as well. Alrighty, cool. So here's the steps to begin. It's very simple. Look below this video. There's going to be links, or go to scottsloanapp.com or my main website, sandiegorealestatehunter.com. Look for apply for loan. So you apply online in 10 minutes or less, literally 10 minutes from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. It's all secure. Once you apply online, I send you an automatic email to verify you are who you say you are. Click it, log back in, answer a few more questions. Loan application completely done, 10 minutes over. Then you upload your needed supporting documents, things that you're already going to have. A copy of your driver's license, last 30 days paychecks, last 2 months bank statements, all pages, last 2 years tax returns and W-2s. If you don't have those, Google IRS tax transcripts. You get them completely free online. From there, if you have anything like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, 401k, retirement accounts, etc., just the latest statements for those. That's it. 5 main things. From there, your application's done. Documents are done. I'm going to take a look to see if it's possible. Then I'm going to run your credit. I don't charge you. I pay for that. From there, I look at your credit report. I know what your middle credit score is, or the lowest credit score based off of whoever's applying. Then I can take a look at your monthly debts plus your future housing payment, divide it by your average gross income over about 12 months is your debt to income ratio. That's all it is. Then I report back to you very quickly. Here's the loan that we can do. Here's the max loan amount. Here's about what the interest rate is going to be because we're not locked in. Here's about what your payments are. If you can find something in the USDA area, perfect. Don't forget, last thing before I sign off, there's other videos about the USDA loans. We have one on the program highlights. We have one on some secrets that you might not know. Obviously, we have this one about common questions and answers. And then another one that goes into needed supporting documents a little bit more. Don't forget, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, I would really appreciate if you smash that like button, subscribe to get more videos like this, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And most importantly, I would love to help you. I'm licensed to do real estate. I'm licensed to do bull loans. I'm a one-stop shop. It's very, very simple. Shoot me a call. shoot me a text, shoot me an email. I look forward to helping you and talking with you sometime soon.